Tiny homes are all the rage. They're customized, fun, and they promote freedom. That's why we traveled to Portland, Oregon and met up with one of the world's greatest in custom tiny homes, Tiny Heirloom. As a family-run business that has an extreme level of passion for everything they do, Tiny Heirloom realized that building custom tiny homes didn't need to mean compromising your standard of living. So they set out to bridge the gap and create something special.
Tiny Heirloom is a world premier luxury tiny home company. We cater to everybody across the country. We build tiny homes, we build ADUs, prefab, and modular structures. Basically all in between anywhere from 200 and about 800 square feet.
With everything built in America and everything built with an extreme level of passion, Tiny Heirloom offers a range of different tiny home models, but separates itself by creating completely custom tiny homes, where the only limit is your imagination.
The range of Tiny Heirloom's homes go from the tiny homes on wheels that max out at 400 square feet, all the way to accessory dwelling units, also known as ADUs, and even prefab and modular homes as well. The quality and the features that we bring are all the way from steel trailers that are custom made to our specifications, all the way to the high-end finishes that we use like birch, maple, and those kinds of woods, as well as our high-end energy efficient appliances. Mixed with that, the bells and whistles of a rooftop deck perhaps, or even a loft with a skylight. All of those features bring that tiny and make it so much bigger.
Tiny Heirloom was always known as a luxury, one-of-a-kind, custom tiny home company. We still are, but we wanted to create affordability. We wanted to create what we call as affordable luxury. And so we created our new lineup called the Signature Series. And they cater from anything from a 20-foot travel trailer all the way up to a 30-plus foot gooseneck. It will cater from a single individual all the way up to a couple, all the way up to a family with kids. We have one that sleeps even up to 8 people.
When a customer comes to us, really the only thing that limits is their imagination. We have such unique skill sets here that anything you could dream of, we can make.
Tiny Heirloom even offers a concierge service program.
If you do the concierge service program, we will have either myself or a dedicated team member come out, and we're going to show you how everything works. We want to make sure that at the end of the day, when we turn those keys over to you and that home arrives, that you feel like not only did you get the most amazing heirloom product in the world, but you got the most amazing heirloom service in the world.
Tiny Heirloom is one of the world's greatest because of our team. From our designers to our builders who build each and every one of these homes with the highest quality of craftsmanship, to the back-end salesperson who's actually taking your call, all the way up to ownership. We are one of the world's greatest because we actually care and want to put out a quality product for everyone.
Building some of the world's most unique and fun tiny homes throughout the globe, Tiny Heirloom is one of the world's greatest.